Refugee pages 285 through 317 quiz. You're first going to put your first name in the box here. Then put your last name in the box provided. You're then going to select your cycle number. You're going to choose the best answer for each question below. Number 1. Where are Joseph and his family hiding in France when the Nazis are coming for them? A schoolhouse, B, an old abandoned store, C, their house, or D, in the woods. Number 2. Joseph, his mother, and Ruthie only carry one thing with them. What is it? A, the family Bible, B, money, C, Ruthie's stuffed bunny, D, a picture of Joseph's father. Number 3. What does Joseph's mother offer the Nazi officers in exchange for their freedom? A, money, B, diamond earrings, C, rare coins, D, books. Number 4. What do the Nazi army soldiers tell Joseph's mother in response to the exchange for their freedom? A, the Nazi soldiers let them go. B, the Nazi soldiers send them all to a concentration camp. Or C, the Nazi soldiers only let her save one of her children. Number 5. Who was Isabel's little brother to be named after? A, Louis, B, Isabel's father, C, Isabel's grandfather. Number 6. Isabel's baby brother is an American citizen. A, true, B, false. Number 7. How did Mahmoud and the other refugees finish their journey to Hungary? A, walking, B, by car, C, by boat, D, by airplane. Number 8. How were the refugees received by the Austrians when they crossed the border? A, they applauded and welcomed them. B, they asked them to leave. C, soldiers escorted them back across the border. Number 9. The German government took Mahmoud and his family into their country. A, true, B, false. And number 10. Mahmoud and his father finally found his sister Hannah. A, true, B, false.